We're debunking the top myths about the trade industry. Hear what these trade professionals think about the schedules.
There's all sorts of opportunities. There's 9 to 5s, there's B shift, C shift, part-time.
410s, staggered schedules for early risers or late evening achievers.
Night work, there's afternoon work, there's morning work, there's 24-hour service work. It really depends on what avenue or path you choose.
There's always someone out there who's going to do that late night, middle of the night, and weekend work, but it's not everybody.
This is the service industry, and we have to be available to take care of the people when they need us.
It just depends on what you want to get into, and you can find that there's a place for whatever your schedule is out there.